Hi, it's Kathy with Wordfence. Today we're going to take a look at how easy it is to use Wordfence Central to manage multiple WordPress sites that are running Wordfence using templates. Templates allows you to set up the configurations that's right for your site and apply them across multiple sites. Let's get started. At the top you can click Create New Template. Enter a name. Let's use Test. These settings will look familiar to you if you have used Wordfence in the past. You can expand all options and go through every single setting that's available to Wordfence, or you can dive deep into whatever area you'd like to configure. Let's take a look at brute force protection just for the example of this demo, and let's tighten up lockouts to 5. And then let's lock people out for a longer period of time. Also, let's lock out invalid usernames. And we can even immediately block the IP of users who try to sign in as specific usernames, but we'll do that later. You can save that template. And then we can assign that to sites. Let's say we want to assign it to both sites. Sites are now assigned to that template. You can go view the templates here. You can see test is assigned to 2 separate sites. If you have more sites and you would like to create additional templates, there are no limits to the number of templates that you can create or the number of sites that you would like to manage. It's always good to check configurations to make sure that sites have the templates in sync. Now here we see that the template has been modified, but it's not yet synced to the site. We can select both of those sites, resync with the template, force resync, and now we see that those sync states are in sync. The reason we have this is you may have an administrator go into your WordPress admin area, go to Wordfence and set up a setting, and that site would be out of sync with this template. This is a good place where you can come ensure that your sites are set up the way you would like them to be set up and manage everything from one centralized dashboard. Thanks for watching.